Best deals.
Product link is given in the description. Electric pressure cooker. Auto-adjust temperature and timings for optimal rice cooking combined with tailored useful add-on options including steam, porridge, slow cook settings. The most revolutionary one-pot multi-cooker developed with advanced technology that replaces all your kitchen utensils yet allows you to pressure cook rice, saute, steam and bake etc., thus saving up to 70% of your cooking time. It has the combination of float valve safety and manganese chip which regulates pressure, seals cooker lid when pressurized, and indicates when it's safe to open after pressure release. Electric pressure cooker may preserve the nutritional value of your ingredients better than other methods of cooking as the multi-cooker doesn't require higher temperatures but does have a much shorter cooking time, preserving minerals and vitamins. Pressure cooker comes with specialized Indian preset menus, timer and pressure level adjuster, rice, dal, channa, gravy, biryani, khichdi, chicken, and much more for easy cooking using one-pot principle. Cook your breakfast, lunch and dinner at ease. The inner cooking pot comes with a capacity of 6L suitable for a family of 4 to 6. You also get a recipe book, spatula and a measuring cup along with your product. Pressure cooker is certified with BIS safety standard from the most trusted Apex body for testing and certification of electronic appliances, India, also designed with the safest manganese chip installation mechanism, perfect to quickly cook rice, boil veggies. Just plug and switch on and your food will be cooked automatically. Enjoy effortless cooking as the smart cooking algorithm is designed to automatically cook delicious rice every time. Cool touch handle and auto shut off feature offer safety and convenience. Multi-cooking feature to make idlis, boil eggs, steam veggies or momos, or make masala tea. Cooker is a smart and efficient kitchen appliance for cooking, steaming, and boiling, elegant design and superior performance. A versatile kettle which makes boiling and steaming hassle-free. Conveniently boil water for tea, coffee, make hot chocolate, pasta and a lot more. It is made of 304 grade anti-rust stainless steel interiors for perfect hygiene. It is lightweight and easy to carry around. The kettle comes with an egg boiler, a steamer and a bowl. You can make noodles and soups in the kettle itself. Suitable for all occasions, perfect for the dorm room, home, camping, traveling, office or business trips, has a wide mouth making it easier to stir the contents inside, as well as making it easy to clean. The glass lid is another great safety feature of this kettle. This lid can give you the see-through experience without opening it, has a power indicator that glows when the power is on and switches off otherwise. It comes with a special soft touch and heat-resistant handle for a comfortable grip. Inner pot ensures even heat distribution and durability, while the detachable silicone ring and safety valve allows for easy cleaning. Equipped with an anti-spin design that secures the pot for sautéing and stirring, take the guesswork out of cooking meat, poultry, rice, steamed vegetables, beans, whole grains, casseroles, eggs, and soup. This smart electric cooker will automatically set the required time, temperature and pressure for the dish that you wish to cook. Prepare restaurant quality food at home. Electric cooker has dual pressure modes so you have more flexibility and control. The low pressure mode is perfect for cooking delicate foods like cheesecake and custard, while the high pressure mode is great for meats. Enjoy effortless cooking as the smart cooking algorithm is designed to automatically cook delicious rice every time. Enjoy popular menu options such as white rice, scotched rice and porridge as well as the versatile multi-cook option. Rice cooker provides the perfect serving amount for small gatherings or small to medium-sized families. Non-stick coating, rust-proof, stain-resistant, completely non-stick, safe and healthy for long-term use. It is suitable for cooking a variety of dishes, such as boiling ramen, cooking spaghetti, frying eggs, cooking hot pot, stir-frying vegetables, deep-frying chicken chunks, pan-frying steak, cooking fondue, slow cooking, simmering soup, making porridge, steaming dumplings and blanching, and so on. Suitable for stir-frying, sautéing and rapid steaming. The higher the power setting, the faster the food will cook. Designed with a double layer of non-stick inner liner and PP shell for durability, which prevents the outer surface from overheating and preventing your hands from getting burnt while using it. It also features overheat and boil dry protection to ensure your safety and the practicality of the cooker. Electric hot pot is perfect for small homes, flats, student hostels and holiday hotels. Rice cookers, a versatile cooking appliance, are not only perfect for making perfectly cooked rice but also some other delicious dishes. Whether you want to prepare comfort foods that are easy to make or try out some exotic dishes, a rice cooker can help you prepare anything that you desire. Cookers are ideal for making all types of food items that contain starch, and potatoes are no exception. You can easily make a variety of potato-based dishes using a rice cooker, such as mashed potatoes. All you need to do is steam the potatoes till they are tender using the rice cooker. You can place the potatoes in the steaming basket or directly on the pot depending on your convenience. Mash the potatoes with butter and milk to your preferred consistency and your yummy mashed potatoes are ready. If you are trying to lose some weight, steamed vegetables are an ideal dinner for you. With the help of a rice cooker, you can easily prepare steamed vegetables. Put all your favorite vegetables in the steaming basket and steam the vegetables to perfection. You can also put your favorite vegetables on top of the rice you are cooking, which is a healthy alternative to fried rice. An egg-based recipe, spicy masala frittata, is an Italian dish that is quite similar to an omelette. To add a twist to the recipe, you can add some spices such as garam masala and green chilies. Depending on your preference, you can add your choice of vegetables, cheese, pasta, and chicken to the dish. You can also add a variety of seasoning and vegetables to the versatile dish. Pre-cook the vegetables in a microwave and mix them with whisked eggs. Cook on a regular rice setting and you have got a quick breakfast without any hassles. Aloo biryani is a favorite among biryani lovers. The delicious one-pot meal can be easily prepared in an electric rice cooker. If you need to prepare a tasty and quick lunch or dinner, aloo biryani is the perfect dish. To make the preparation healthy, you can also mix some vegetables other than potatoes in the recipe. All you need to do is saute the spices in the rice cooker, add cooked rice and leave it on for 40 to 50 minutes to prepare tasty biryani. Making vegetable soups have become quite easy with the help of an electric rice cooker. Whether you want to prepare vegetable or chicken soup, a rice cooker can help you prepare your favorite soup in minutes. All you need to do is put all the ingredients into the rice cooker and press the soup button. Leave it for 90 minutes to get perfectly cooked soup. Those were some of the tasty dishes that you can prepare using an electric rice cooker. Thanks for watching.